Hello guys, this is my third video about Selenium Page Object Model Framework with Page Factory, the part 3. Part 2 was how to convert to regular framework to the Page Factory framework. This part 3 today I will be show you how to the log the how to the get log message. Our previous framework, if you see our previous framework, there was a simple message when you run. Example, if you go my test, if I run the test, yeah, the browser is opening, find element and browser close. Just say the past information. We don't know exactly what test pass and what kind of element we grab it. We don't know information at all. Any fail we don't know actually where exactly fail. We don't know that because we don't want that, because in future we'll be have like 1,000 or 100 few hundred test cases, and one test case is failure. Exactly, we need to know where and which step is failing. For that reason, we need log message. So for log message, we can use log4j. For log4j, which Maven, we can use the Maven dependency. We can add in our POM Excel for Maven dependency. Right now, in our Maven dependency, only have two dependencies, one is Selenium and test engine. We are not adding all the dependency what we need in future. Doesn't make sense for me at all, because I want to guys know step by step. So why I'm adding and what purpose I'm adding. If I add now log4j, you should know we adding log4j because of logging purpose. For that reason, I keep this place is separately, not adding everything together. So now we have to find out log4j dependency. For that, just Google it. Log4j Maven dependency, already have it there. So this is Maven dependency. I see 1.2.17. I hope this is the latest one. So I'm going to add it here. Command S, and for save purpose, just always Maven. Right click in the project, Maven, update project. Boom. Dependency already added. So now we have a second part. So we have to start logging the message. For that reason, we have to produce the message. We have to customize the message. So now start from the script base. Start from the script base. So the search main action script home page is there. Home page search button there. We need script base. Script is there. Okay. So I'm going to use here excuse me, public static final logger log equal logger. So let's import the logger first. Change to the logger, which change the logger. Okay, import the logger, which is the org Apache log4j logger. So please always check the am I right. So if I again just want to make sure if I deleted this one, so this import over here. So you can choose the import logger, which is the Apache log J4. Okay, log4j. So over here, so done. So now if I say logger dot, okay, spell is mistake here, double G, logger dot get logger, which is the class. Class is our script base. Copy script base dot class dot get name. And this line we're going to use to every class in our framework for grab the logging. So make sure just change the script with the class name. You have to change the only class name. So you go home page and you can put you can put here and just change the home search page. So if I say it this, so now again copy this one and use it home page, and just copy this and change the class name. Okay, done. So now essential work is done. Now guys, for log4j, for use the customized message, you need to create a log4j properties. Why are you going to create it? Right click in the your future activation framework or whatever framework you name, right click, and you want to provide here new file, and file name I already have it, guys. I just want to follow the convention. You can use the follow. Make sure there is no space. If you have a space, so then big problem. No space. Finish. So log4j created, and that should be message. So now this is a customized message, guys. You don't have to work hard. Just copy paste. I will be providing my YouTube where you can choose the log4j properties. You can find online the different way people are customized. I like this way. I provided that. If you want, just follow it as a copy and put this. Now in script base, we have to provide this configuration path. If you don't provide, then our automation framework will be not realize actually where it is. So now what we have to do, we just have to do over here simply str string. You have to put the string and there's a path. So you're gonna say log4j config config log4j config path equal, you have to say path equal, and which is this properties name. Okay, so I mean make sure you don't have a space. Okay guys, okay, and close it. So now this path I have to provide, which is provided in the properties configuration. So in the here property, it's a control display property configurator, dot, I mean you want properties configuration. What is the properties you want to provide? You want to provide this path. Am I right? Okay, if I put this path, so done. This should be done, and just close it. So we call this logger in every class, and also we give the path for configuration properties, log4j properties in our skip base. You can put before test always. So I put the before test, or you can create a different method and use it. I like to provide right now here. We will be changing it in future. So now go to your home page. Your home page have reusable method. We want to put some information here. How? So we're gonna say it log dot info, which is object message. So you're gonna say it if, okay, search button is display, search buttons, okay, search button displayed, but now I said, and we will command search button, this method, and we want to string. We want if search button is get to string. So I mean search button displayed, just get to string. Let's see how does it work. Yeah, what I did. Okay, to string. So if you have more line, you can provide them. There is a, we put the some printout message. We don't need that. We can use the now log message. We have log message. So what we can do, you can move this one and just I say search button was not displayed. Okay, and we don't need this. Okay, now we know exactly what happening and why happening. Okay, so now and done this message, and now we have a home page, which is the test homepage search test. We're going some message. I'm gonna put the log.info. Okay, log.info object message. We're gonna just provide some message, which just some message. What is this string? You can move search button test start. Okay, and copy it and that. Now if I run the test, if I run this test, you will see there is some message show up. Right click, what the happening? Okay, somehow log4j file properties is not find out. Let's say log4j properties and rename. Yeah, see, by mistake I copy 2 times. That's why it's not find out. So now properties, if I run now, again, let's see what's going on, guys. If I rename it, I'm gonna have to make sure that some mistake I did or not. Rename. Okay, there's some space. Cannot be space there. If I run, yes, it's not working now. So now you will see the returning message, the returning the message. So now you see over here, home page, search button, test start, search button displayed, Chrome, and ID exactly XPath. The ID is showing us here. What ID I change, even what home page button finish. So exactly what is happening, the log message is showing up. That's it for today, guys. My next video, I will be show how to use how to run the test through Excel file, XML file. Please keep practice and follow the step by step. Don't jump on it. Just follow whatever I say step by step, and you will be see all the way this course. When course is finished, you will be see the total result. So see you in my next video, and please share with your friends my video who are interested. If you like my video, please like it. If you want to share with your friends, feel free to comments. Future IT Vision, you will find out the code in the GitHub, which is the GitHub Future IT Vision, and YouTube subscription is a Future IT Vision. Please subscribe and feel free to comment and like it. See you soon.